Charging the iPad. After viewing this video, you should know how and when to charge an iPad. To get maximum benefit from this video, it is suggested you view it on a computer while holding and examining your iPad. You can pause the video and re-watch portions of it at any time as needed. We're going to take a look at how to charge your iPad. Your iPad came with two important accessories. This power brick and this charging cable. The power brick has a plug that flips out and can be plugged into a wall outlet or a surge protector. A surge protector would be preferable just to protect your device when it's charging. The charging cable has two ends on it. The end that is a USB connector goes into your power brick, like so. It's important to note that although this is a USB connector, you cannot plug it into a Windows computer for charging. It can only charge off of a wall outlet or surge protector. The other end of the charging cable looks like this, and one side of it, little hard to see on the video maybe, but has a little picture on it. That is the front of the connector, and it plugs into your iPad at the bottom right under the home button, like so. Once you have this securely plugged into your iPad and the power brick securely plugged into a wall or surge protector, your iPad's ready to charge. You should try to charge your iPad when the battery is at 50% or less. That doesn't mean you have to charge it at 50% or less, but that's the preference. Certainly, if you're, say, at 45% and you have 1 or 2 class periods left and that's going to get you through the day, you don't need to worry about plugging your iPad in for charging at that moment. What you will probably want to do is make sure you charge the iPad overnight so that it starts out at 100% each morning to get you through the day. In general, a fully charged iPad with average use will work for about 10 hours. Another quick note, when you're not using your charging cable and power brick, it might be a good idea to put them away, not just leave them laying around. These cables have a habit of getting borrowed, and they grow legs when they get borrowed, and sometimes they forget to come home. You may also want to find a way to mark your power brick, a permanent marker with perhaps your initials or the GISD barcode that matches your iPad would be a good idea. This concludes our video on how and when to charge an iPad. If you are watching this video as part of iPad Basic Training, please proceed to the next section as instructed in the online materials.